Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you? I hope you will be enjoying the best of health. I welcome you in my class, that is an English for grade 5. My dear students, we are learning unit number 10 and its title is No Bullying. Yes, my dear fellow teacher, this lesson plan, PowerPoint presentation and worksheet links are given below. You should get it or provided same as it. Otherwise, you can follow it and you can amend it for your ease. I am going to deliver my lecture according to this lesson plan. Our today's lecture, lecture number 5. Comprehension skills. We will learn about how we can comprehend different text. Before in English for grade 5, my dear students, already you have learned write central idea of the poem in simple language. Already we have learned that how we can write central ideas of any poem. So today we are going to learn further, apply while reading strategies to interact with the text, to generate questions, to understand the text, recognize, find out, create and use more rhyming words. Write the central idea of the given poem in simple language. So today we will cover up our these as follows. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala mentions in Al-Quran, Surah Al-Baqarah, verse number 152. So remember me, I'll remember you. So my dear students, this beautiful verse is giving us a message that Allah Almighty is saying that if you will remember me, so definitely I'll also remember you. So how we can remember Allah Almighty? Yes, definitely by offering prayers, by reciting the Holy Quran, we can remember Allah Almighty. So when we will remember, Allah Almighty will blesses us with countless blessings, even that we cannot count. Okay, so you have to offer prayer 5 times in a day. Okay, my dear students. So yes, here is the question for you. Pre-reading question is there. You have to brainstorm your activity. Discuss the theme of the poem with your classmates. After a few minutes, discuss it with your teacher. Yes, my dear teacher and my dear students, first of all, you will discuss the theme of the poem with each other. After that, you will share it with your teacher. Pause the video and perform this activity in your class. Welcome back. Good job, my dear students. So now we are going to start that. Half we have already left. So now we are going to start. What if you see a bully pick on a friend? How do you make the meanness come to an end? Yes, so now this passage is giving us also asking us if a bully boy or a girl is teasing your friend. So what you will do? Okay, if he or she is teasing to your friend, so what you will do? You will leave your friend in the time of like pain. So here are friends like friend and. Okay, my dear students, how these words are rhyming with each other? How these are rhyming? Because they are being ended with the same sound. Friend and. Okay, have you got that? Next is tell the bully to stop. Take your friend by the hand. Go find a grown-up. They will understand. Again, rhyming words. Hand, stand. Okay, and also there is a solution that when someone is teasing, so what you will do? You will take your friend by the hand of this bully, that one is teasing your friend. Okay, after that you will go and you will inform a grown up, means to any elder brother, sister are in your class, to your teacher. So they will make them sense that why they are teasing. Okay. Next, school is a safe place to learn, grow and play. If you speak up and stand up, bullies can't ruin the day. Got it? So school is a safe place for you. Already good as same as at home. You are feeling safe at home. So my dear students, school is also a safe place for you. Okay? So if someone is doing so you should have to confirm and you have to respond confidently. No need to be confused. You can discuss with your teacher. Got it? So ruin means the act of falling or destructions. If someone is destroying something, if someone is teasing you, it means he or she is ruining your circle. Okay, so this is it mean. So now what you have to do? Now we are going to revise what is the central idea of this poem. So in this poem the poet says that a bully can be anyone, girl or a boy, which making you feel bad. A bully says terrible things to you or can physically harm you. When a bully tries to hurt you, stay calm and leave the place. You should tell your parents or any other elder people. So my dear students, this theme is telling us what you have to do when someone is teasing you. So if someone should tease you, so you should be calm. You should not react in such way that If someone is harming you, so you should leave the place and you should discuss with your teacher, with your elders. Okay. Next is about that bully. Your elders will help you and warn the bully not to repeat this behavior. If a bully harms your friend, you should also help your friend. Okay. We go to school for learning and the growth of our minds. Our bully should not come in our way. Okay. So we are going to school. For what we are getting school, for what we are learning in school. Definitely we are learning, we are going to learn something special. So if you are going to do this, so no one can tease you. So you should discuss it with your parents, with your teachers, if someone is harming you or teasing you. Okay. You should not be shy, you should not be afraid, you should be confident, and at once you should discuss with your teacher. Got it? So this is the theme of this poem. So now we are moving toward an activity. What you have to do? Divide class in groups and each group will read the poem again. After reading, teacher will generate question and student will answer these questions according to the text. Okay, my dear teacher, you will generate different questions from the poem and students will respond it. Pause the video and perform this activity in your class. Good job, welcome back. I hope you have done it. Good job, my dear students. Now here is time to perform an individual activity on page number 81. Question number 1 is there. You have to perform these questions in your notebook, and question number 3 you have to do on your book. Okay, because write the rhyming words from the given words. Already we have learned during lecture that what are rhyming words. So pause the video and perform these activities in your class. Good job, my dear students. Welcome back. So what's your homework? You have to write question number 2 in your notebook. These are the questions and you have to perform it in your notebooks. My dear teacher, this is worksheet. This worksheet link is given below. You should get it and provide it to your students in printed form and see that how they can write, how they can work about rhyming words. So what we have learned today? Today we learned about how to generate questions through reading strategies. We learned about rhyming words. We also learned to judge the theme of the poem. And in this way we have covered up our this is solo. So my dear students, I hope today you have got a great message through this poem that we should not tease any other students. If someone is teasing you, so how you have to react. There was a great message in this poem. So I hope you have enjoyed today's lecture. Tomorrow with a new lecture we will meet soon, inshallah. Till that time, stay blessed. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.